This is 10 pounds of apples. This is a rotato. Quite possibly one of the coolest gadgets ever invented. This is an apple corer and slicer. This is a whale. Actually, it's just a juice jug. And this is a juicer. It was free. It's brand new. Guaranteed not to tear my face off, like the previous unit did to 35 people. Smash. Crash. Shoelace. Crush. Popsicle molds for the pulp. Apple slices, labor intensive. No longer peeling, because apparently that's where all the vitamins and goodies are. Rotato's still cool though. Apple slices going to their deaths. Prepare to die. Not exactly store-bought looking. Ooh, holy crap. That tastes like an apple. Not like apple juice, that tastes like an apple. Dang. So $10 worth of apples. 1.5 liters of really good apple juice. Gigaton of applesauce. Popsicles. I think I might add some sugar. Think so. Can't all be healthy. Clearly that's a blender. Applesauce. Yummy. Unsweetened. It's the most applesauce I've ever seen. And you'll notice, it's not made all white. Still tastes good. Just add filtered water, blend it till it gets to the right consistency.